Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making this yummy soup. This is Uziza soup, and watch how I made this soup. In a pot I added water and I add um oil to this. My oil is a little bit block, and I'm going to melt it with this warm water. Then I'll add this is cocoyam powder, so you can use ordinary cocoyam to make it. So this soup, I don't know what is called to call it. Let me call it Uziza and shrimp soup. Just watch what I'm going to do today. So today, this is what I graved. So I'm going to allow it to cook and boil for some time. And while it's boiling, I added crayfish to this and Cameroon pepper and ihu. I have added ihu to this. This is calabash. I think calabash nuts. That's what they call it. I don't know what they call it, but it's ihu. So I'm adding periwinkles to this. This is my periwinkles. Anyway, and I'll add shrimps. I had different types of shrimps, the small one, the medium size, and the king size. I added all of them together, right? I now turn them, allow it to boil and stir, and as it's boiling again, I allowed it to cool down for some time because it was boiling. So add maggi and fish. The other ingredient that I added there was dawa. So you're going to add uziza leaf. You can add any uziza or any other leaf of your choice. I'm adding uziza to this. You can add ugu if you want, but this my soup, it was very delicious. It was excellent. It was yummy. So I am going to allow it to boil, and voila, it is